everyone, welcome to my channel. This is gonna be my first vlog in English. So I never upload YouTube so long. If you guys see my last video like 2 months, because I very busy about my get some new job, new apartment in Bangkok. Now I'm going to cleaning my room and show you guys my little small room. Yeah, let's start it. Okay, this is the in front of the door. It's very messy, and they just give me this is furniture, this one, and this one, and this is one for me. Yeah, very busy. Let's start. Oh, the first one we're gonna be in this part. Okay, let's go.
I've been falling my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something.
You see, I bought it from a supermarket. This is noodle we call mama for hungry and just eat it.
Baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, and my body, my body says, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing.
So now I'm going to cleaning my what is called for makeup. The takes for the up. Okay, let's start this part. I do it every day, like clean every day, but still messy. I don't know why. Weird.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. A push a P.
Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot at cross spot. Jeff for peas.
Drop the data, now we plant inside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push P.
Push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents.
Push P. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P.
She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep a P.
Private suite, privacy. Jump pushing P.
Purple paint, pink, push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Yeah. Push P.
Push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Papa P, I'm paranoid. I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm
Push P.
Push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Touch it,
okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche.
Push P.
3 P's, popcorn, Porsche.
Push P.
I just cup of water. Push a P, red bandana cards. Push a P, I'ma give you out your endorsement. She ain't vanilla for me, she simply Porsche. I never saw ops, now we finally touched. She ready to get in the streets for me, no questions. Too rich to text, I let my shoulder forward. Take the P at the alphabet, try to sort it. Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
I'm pushing P. P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Spit on third on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cross a nigga I'm rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little children. I been spending on business and spending and spending and spending on children.
Okay, this is my little kitchen. Very messy. I don't have some equipment for cooking as much. I just got this for do some hot water and for make some rice. That's it. Most usually I boil it every day. Like, I just thinking should I cooking because you know I can do and put everything in my meal. Yeah, I just thinking. This.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, man, da, 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 da. Drive me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You do my
This as well. Some snacks.
love I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been.
I don't have especially spray for clean this mirror, but I just get water. Yeah, it's okay.
When you walk out, before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this through. What can I say? You can recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel wah. You set me up there, wah. You see me do my da. Tell me about that wah. When you walk out, la. When you get from my
Yeah, okay. You need to get done, and work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one long distance. I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, and come on. Yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You'll spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You set me up there, wah. You see me do my da. Tell me about that wah. When you walk out, la. When the cat from my
Okay, I'm done already. It's really better. And this part still messy. Okay, I'm gonna drop power bank right here. Okay, this is my lamp. A little friend. Okay, done. I'm gonna show you guys. This is my tree. I am very upset with this. Oh, kinda addicted already. I need to buy it every day. You see that? How beautiful. Damn. And this one is just like a rose. I forgot that name, but you know, she like light sun, not much, but you know, still beautiful. And this one is really go up as well. The first time I bought, she's just like this, but now you see, wow, very nice. And this one is very sweet, you see. Oh my god, they have another flower. Wow, very nice. I just love it. And also I have an outside as well. You see, very nice. Now I just got new shoe, guys. I bought this from Mochi. It's very cute. Okay guys, I'm done already. Hope you guys like my video. I think kinda need more prime again. I'm very upset with this. Oh, so I will buy more, and hope you guys like my video. If you like, please subscribe and like. I will see you in next video. Bye.
I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling.